Hello, my name is Daniel Gerlach. A warm welcome to you from the MIWE Live Baking Center. And today, we're going to make a classic snack, baguette with melted cheese. And to do this, we're going to use the MIWE Gusto snack. So first up, let's just simply turn it on. Well, the MIWE Gusto snack is our bacon snack all-rounder, which means that both classic baked goods and snacks can be easily prepared in it. Now for this snack, we're going to need our quick serve function. And by default, that quick serve function there is always first in the program list. So here we go, let's select this program. And what you shouldn't forget here is that the griddle there, it needs to be in the oven during the preheating, and just make sure that the smooth side is facing up there. Well, on our control panel, we can see that the icons are nice and white. That means that the oven is preheating. Well, the special feature of that quick serve function is that the top heat is supported by circulating air. Now, this enables us to prepare really a large number of snacks in just a very short time, all nicely hot and fresh. So, even in the lunchtime rush, we can offer our guests fresh, hot snacks. Well, we're going to refine this homemade baguette with some nice, fresh ingredients. And thanks to the quick serve function, you can prepare everything in larger quantities and then just heat the baguettes up for your customers one after the other there. As you can see, the color in the control panel, yes, it's changed from white to yellow. The oven is telling us that, well, we need to do something. And even from a distance, you can see that the oven needs to be loaded. In the baking program, it starts automatically as soon as I close the door. Well, the great thing is that in just 2 minutes and 30 seconds, the bread is beautifully crisp there. I'll just add some salad and voila, it's ready to serve. Well, you now probably have as much appetite for snacks as I do right now. And you'll find this and many other recipes at miwe.com or follow us on Instagram at miwe.official. Thank you.